Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to find password on this device, the saved password on this device. So we will get one application in this device, passwords application. You can see first of all we need to open this one. So if you set any screen passcode, then here we need to enter the passcode here. Yeah, so here you can see all the saved password you can see here. Okay, so simply if I show you, you can see 3 Wi-Fi password I saved in this device. If you tap on this one, you can see the 3 Wi-Fi names you can see here. So if you want to view this one, just tap on this one and you can see the password. If you want to view the password, just tap on this one. You can see. So similarly, you can see all the saved password in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.